Hello students, welcome to the today's computer class. So today what we are going to learn, that is more on MS Windows 7. From this chapter we are going to learn two new topics. Those are gadgets and icons. Already we have learned about and we have seen something related about gadgets in the previous class. Okay, today we are going to learn more about gadgets and icon and what are all the different kinds of gadgets we have, as well which gadget is used for what purpose, and also we are going to learn the uses of various icons. Icons means the label of the particular thing. So in the computer term we used to say that is icon. Okay, that is the thing that we are learning. In this introduction part, as I told earlier, we are going to learn gadgets and icons. So the gadgets, what is gadgets and what is icon, and for what purpose these two things are used in the computer system, especially in the Windows 7. Those things that we are going to learn clearly. Okay, let's start today's class. Gadgets. What I mean by gadgets and why we are using this gadget in our computer, especially in the Windows 7. Let's see. It's our mini programs that provide information at a glance and easy access to frequently used tools. So it is one kind of the mini programs. So we can keep these gadgets for frequently used tools. For example, if we want to access or if we want to search or if we want to go to the particular program or any kind of the application softwares, so that we have to go inside the computer and we have to search where it is saved and then we have to take. It is one method. Another method is easy way of accessing everything in the home screen itself. So keeping those files or those programs or those concepts in the home screen are minimized into small parts. Those small things are known as gadgets. That's why it's our mini programs. Next one, the Windows 7 gadgets are mostly people are using these kind of the gadgets in their computer desktop screen. The first one is calendar, second clock, and third one is CPU meter, and the fourth one is currency, and fifth feed headlines, and picture puzzles and slideshow. Some of you know that some kind of the mini gadgets you may hear about it, isn't it? So those things that we are going to learn one by one with pictures. Are you happy to see the pictures along with the meaning of gadgets? Let's see. The first gadget is calendar. The calendar, we used to see the important days or important programs or meetings or important appointment with anybody, so that these kind of the informations we can get it from the calendar. So we can make a note of it, of how many days we have or what are all the special days we have. When we are having holidays, we children used to see the holidays in the calendar. So this is one of the use of calendar gadget. The next one is clock. So in computer, in the desktop, all of you have seen that some of the clock or digital clock is placed in the home screen to see the time. So this is the use of clock. To see the time, we can have the clock gadgets in our desktop screen of the computer. The next one is CPU meter. Do you hear about the CPU meter before? Okay, no problem. If you didn't hear about the CPU meter, I'll explain. This is one of the gadgets. It is used to check or verify the computer is working properly or not, what is the speed of the computer, is there any problem to maintain all kind of the operations by CPU meter. This is the finest gadgets of CPU meter which placed on the desktop screen. The next one we are going to study about currency gadgets. What do you mean by currency gadget? Currency gadget that is used to display the various countries' currencies, as well it will show what kind of the Indian rate of some other country. Those things will be shown in the currency area, so that we can have these kind of the currency gadgets in our desktop screen. Next, picture puzzle. Many of you know about this picture puzzle. So whenever we are at home, we used to play games in the computer. One of the games is picture puzzle. What is the picture puzzle? One of the picture is shuffled in so many places. At last, after shuffling the picture part, we'll make one picture. We'll find the picture after shuffling the puzzles. So this is the use of picture puzzle only for games purpose. The next one, slideshow. What is slideshow? Slideshow is used to see what kind of the programs we are using simultaneously or at the same time, or which one we can have an important work on the particular program. We can use slideshow to know about those things. That is the use of slideshow. The next one is how to add gadgets on your desktop. So now we have understood about gadgets. Now we are going to learn how we can add those kind of the gadgets of Windows 7 in our desktop. The first step is in the desktop screen, means the home screen. You have to give right click on the empty area. So after giving the right click, one menu box will appear. There you have to see the option called gadgets. Below the personalize option, if you click gadget, another window will appear. There you have to double click required gadget, which gadget you want, either calendar or clock or currency or CPU meter or picture puzzle. You can click anything. This is the way to add gadgets on your desktop. The next one is icons. The icons are nothing but label of some programs. So let's see what is icon. It's are small pictures that represent a file, folder or a program. For example, my computer. So for my computer program, the label of the icon is computer picture, small computer picture. Like that, depend upon the file or depend upon the folder or depend upon the program, the icons will be named like this. Let's see each and every icons like this. First one is computer icon. See this computer icon, we can see the computer small picture, so that we can identify in the place we can have local area devices and disk storage area, main memory, everything we can see here. It's a computer icon. The next one is recycle bin icon. What is recycle bin icon? The recycle bin icon is the place where we can delete the files. So the deleted files will be stored in the place called recycle bin. And what is the validity of this recycle bin? 30 days. By mistake, if you are delete a particular or important file or folder, so it will be available in the recycle bin. So within the 30 days, you can retrieve the deleted file. After the 30 days, you can't retrieve, it is automatically deleted permanently by the computer itself. This is the recycle bin icon. The next one is Internet Explorer. What is Internet Explorer? Internet Explorer is one of the web browsers. This Internet Explorer is the most popular web browser before the coming of Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. So in each and every computer, in each and every operating system, Internet Explorer is the default web browser. So what is the use of these web browsers? These web browsers are used to search the information through over there. That is the use of Internet Explorer. The next one we are going to learn document icon. The document icon means the document file, Word document, Notepad, WordPad. So these are all the files will be saved like this. Those files are known as document icon. So here in these kind of the documents we can create the document, so we can create the file document, and also we can save these kind of the documents in folder. That is the use of document icon. The next one, folder icon. What do you mean by folder icon? By default folder icon color is yellow, so we can save or store multiple files in the folder. That is the use of folder icon. So these are all the things that we have learned today, and gadgets and icons, different kinds of the gadgets and different kinds of the icon and its various uses of these work. Those things we have learned clearly. Okay, the remaining things we will see in the next class. I hope you enjoy this video as well, you understand this topic. Thank you.